Hello, so this is an oxygen cylinder. I'm just giving you a comparative analysis between an oxygen cylinder and this machine, the EverPro. So 2 days back there was no electricity during the day and we had to go in for this emergency cylinder. The capacity is quite huge, but if you see and the oxygen in this is of course pure oxygen, but it goes on, even though this is such a huge cylinder, it lasts only for 2 days maximum, and if you're using it day and night, therefore we have kept it for an emergency only, because usually when the electricity goes off we use the inverter, but 2 days back electricity was off for the entire day and we had to go in for an emergency oxygen cylinder. So therefore if you see this machine, it runs on electricity, and even the inverter can support it, but if the inverter is fully charged. And if you look at it, it has got vents at the back, so it keeps the machine cool, and it has wheels, so you can shift it wherever and take it wherever you want. So you can it's more user friendly, whereas carting this from one room to the other is very difficult. So if there is no problem with electricity, I always recommend EverPro for oxygen requirements, and it becomes very useful and convenient. So therefore you can see that comparatively, and this is very expensive. If you see the charges on an oxygen cylinder of this size and capacity, it is 5,000 rupees, and it just lasts 2 days. So sorry, the focus keeps going off, I don't know, for some reason. So this huge capacity of the oxygen cylinder lasts just 2 days, but if you take this, the same, it provides oxygen day and night, but it only the charge is 5,500 for an entire month, whereas this is 5,500 for 2 days. So that is why I would say that this oxygen, if you need oxygen, EverPro is definitely easier. Papa, hello, Arena.
Hello.
Thank you. So that's my dad, and he's comfortable with the oxygen that he's getting. So I would always recommend EverPro. It's a machine which is very reliable and convenient to use. Thank you.